You do not have to be good. Even the best of us have been misunderstood.
Hello folks, welcome back to What's for Supper Wednesday. Today we're going to be fixing lemon pepper chicken wings. We're going to be baking them, but what you're going to do first, you're going to take, as you've seen before whenever I fix chicken or anything, you're going to take some sort of bowl that has a lid and you're going to fix up your flour and all. Now this won't be flour, it'll be baking powder. I've fixed some chicken wings before and I didn't know it, but at the time, I know now, whenever you fix something with chicken, if you use baking powder in with your flour and all, like I said, I'm not using flour, but you put some baking powder in it and it makes the chicken skin crispy. But what we're going to do, we're going to put, the recipe calls for 1 tablespoon. Whenever I fixed it, that wasn't enough for what I fixed. So today, with, I think we got 4 pounds altogether, I believe we have 4 pounds. We're going to be tripling it. So you'll have 4.5 tablespoons of baking powder. Put that out there. 4. Just get a little bit for the half. Now, as you go, you might need to fix some more, but just have some baking powder on hand. Now, these aren't going to be fresh. They're going to be frozen. So what you're going to do, usually if you have fresh ones, you would put in, you would dab it with a paper towel, but these are still frozen. But if you had fresh, I would dab them. Whoa, I'm going to stop right here. I would personally recommend, if you're going to use frozen ones, which that's what we used, I would make sure to try and thaw them out as much as you can. Because, yeah, they got seasoned, but they didn't get as much seasoned as I want to. Which this is just to crisp them up. But if you're doing it any other way, that you need to season them beforehand, I would make sure to use them fresh from the store or try and get them thawed out as much as you can. Alright, let's get back to the video. Now what we're going to do is 3 tablespoons of pepper. Give or take. There's 3. Your paprika. I just spilled corn or baking soda everywhere. Oh, oh. Too much. 1. If I didn't say it before, it'll be 3 tablespoons of paprika. 2. And 3. Okay. And usually you put in garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of salt. We got garlic salt, so I'll put 1.5 tablespoons just to even it up. Let me pull this little thing off. One and a half. Okay. All right. Now, I'll fix that in a minute. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to take the lid. I think this is one of the crucial things to getting everything seasoned. Everything is mixed evenly. You could use a whisk or anything there, or even your hands, but I like doing it like this. It gets it all seasoned up. Folks, I will tell you, if you're going to use a bowl to mix up your stuff, use something that's a little bit taller. I didn't have my regular bowls that I usually use to mix up with. Someone had commandeered them, so I wasn't able to use what I did, but it worked out well. It didn't get as good like I usually like it. Plus, it could have been just where they's frozen more, but any bowl like that will work. Alright, back to the video. It just looks like a good mix like that there. You can see that there. Okay. Alright. We'll get the chicken out and we'll start coating it in this baking powder. Alright. We got our cookie sheet with our cooling rack on it. Now we're just going to take our wings, just put them down in here. Break that one off. Like I said, whenever you go to fix it, you may have to fix some more baking powder. I know I did the first time whenever I made some. In frozen ones, you just got to break them apart. Let's see. I'll probably fit another one right there. I'll just do it like that there. Find my lid. See if they got all seasoned up. Get a couple of these and take a couple of these out. Alright, we got these fixed up. We're going to cook them at 425 degrees for 40 minutes. You can, if you want, flip them over halfway through, but I didn't do that last time. I'm not going to do it this time, but 425 degrees for 40 minutes, and after that, after they get out, we'll put some lemon pepper seasoning on. I'll show you how I'm going to do that here in just a few minutes after we get them in. Alright, this is after 40 minutes. They all come out at over 165 degrees. Now what we're going to do is we're going to coat them. All this is right here is some of that lemon pepper seasoning and 2 sticks of butter. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put these in here. We'll do one tray at a time. We won't do all of our seasoning or butter mixture at the same time. Hopefully one pan will fit in there. Just have to put a little bit on top of each other. It don't matter. They'll be getting tossed around. Now we'll try and do half. Try to. Now, get this here. Oh, too much chicken for this. I don't have my regular bowls I usually have. It's good and coated. Alright, here they all are seasoned up. Now, we'll plate it up here in just a minute. Dad's going to fix a side dish.
Hello folks, we're going to have a little side dish here with Daniel's chicken wings. I've not tried one yet. He said they're good. They look good. But what we're going to do, we're going to have some collard greens fixed in egg roll. We're going to try it and see how it tastes anyway. We'll show you here in just a minute. I'm going to heat this up just a little bit in the microwave. And then what we'll do, we'll wrap some up here. We'll throw them in the oil. And then we'll give it a try and see. We'll be back. We'll be back with you in just a minute. Alrighty, let's give this a try. Take our collard greens. Put a little bit down right here. I've heated these just a little bit in the microwave. Okay, now I'm not an egg roll roller here, so let's give this a try. Alrighty, fold this one up like that. Fold this one over like this here. Fold that one there like that. Let's get us a little bit of water. That'll be our glue. Making it just like an envelope, just like Carolyn said there. Get that good and wet. And then let's roll it up. Alrighty. Now let's set it down in the oil and see what happens. We've got our oil. I checked it there, it's 340 degrees. And then what I'll do, I'll get us a couple paper towels to put on the plate. That'll help suck up the oil. Hopefully they turn out good. We'll see. Alrighty. We'll set it on the plate here. We'll let that cool. Be making a few more up. Like I said, hopefully they're good. I ain't never tried this before. We'll see. Alrighty, there you have it. Before we make any more, we're going to let Carolyn give this one the taste test there as the first one. Hot. Be honest, Shug, or we actually know.
Oh, it's delicious. Yum.
Really?
Yep. Dip that in some vinegar, it'd be good too.
Alrighty, folks. There you have it. We'll get everything plated up here shortly. We'll make some more of these.
Alright, here it is plated up with the chicken wings and then the fried collard greens. Alright, Dad, take a taste of the chicken.
Let's give this a try here. It's good. Good, folks.
Alrighty, folks, I want to thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you soon. Thank you again for watching.